Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Snapchat profile picture from gallery. Alright, so let's begin with the video. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to change the photo that everyone sees when they visit your profile or add you as a friend. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, tap over here and it will show you these options. Simply tap on the selfie option. You'll now see a list of the various ways your Bitmoji appears on Snapchat, so you can scroll down this list and select a Bitmoji you like. So for example, I'm simply going to tap on this one. After you select a selfie, tap Done at the bottom center of the screen. And now you have successfully changed your Snapchat profile picture. Another way to quickly and easily change your Snapchat profile picture is by scrolling down a little bit and tapping on Add to My Story, and it will open up the camera. So now you can take a quick photo, add this photo as your story, and it will immediately change your profile picture to the photo that you just took. So one thing to keep in mind is that stories only last 24 hours. So after that, you can add another new story and it'll be your profile picture. So that wraps up this tutorial. So that's basically how you can change Snapchat profile picture from gallery. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.